this video, I will show you how I built my own printing enclosure. Let's go straight to the point and talk about what you need for this kind of project. You need a good base for your enclosure. I used steel pipe from an old table. You will also need acrylic plastic sheets, some bolts and nuts, plywood, air channel fan, air channel pipe and silicone seal. You will also need a welding machine, angle grinder, drill and some basic tools. I will put all this information down to the description section. Now let's move on to the building phase.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. They let you down, but you get up. They let you drown, but you don't stop. You show 'em you're a phoenix. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire,
Here is the end result. As you can see, I sealed the plastic sheets with the silicone sealant, so the fumes from the filament doesn't escape the box. The air channel blows the fumes out from the box, through the air pipe, and finally out of the window. So, how much does building this enclosure cost? I estimate that it will be around 100 euros or about $110 to build this kind of enclosure. It might sound expensive, but if you are considering to buy printing enclosure, you will realize that these aren't cheap. You might even be able to build a similar kind of enclosure at a lower price depending where you live. You can see the holes in the backside of the enclosure that holds the filament spool holder. I reckon to move the spool holder to the top of the enclosure close to the filament fitting hole so the spool doesn't get tangled. I recommend you to build your own printing enclosure because first of all, you will save some money, and secondly, you will get exactly what you want. I will link down some building guides down to the description of this video so you might find some inspiration to build your own, or you can design your enclosure by yourself as I did. Buying an enclosure is still a good option if you don't have time, expertise, or tools to build your own enclosure by yourself, or you don't mind spending a little more money buying one. I hope this video did help you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, please comment down below. For now, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.